I'm back after Labor Day weekend. Nice long weekend to rest from trading. And now I'm back and ready to take a little trade. The code system. There is no substitute. No substitute for using the code trading system. Because it tells you which way it's going to go. Imagine that. It tells you which way it's going to go. I mean, it really tells you, not like an indicator. An indicator just indicates it's going to go in a certain direction, which it never really works. But this actually tells you which way it's going to go with certainty. It hasn't told me yet. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back. I'm going to take an entry into this trade. It's a code trade. And I'm going to take an entry into it, just waiting for it to tell me which way it wants to go. And as soon as it does, I'll take an entry and come back and show it to you. Okay, I'm just taking a short position at 95.46. It's got a 20 tick stop on it. Let's see, 46, 56, 66. It doesn't pull me up very high, that's for sure. It's got a big range up here. But it'll be okay. It's going to go down. I mean, it could come up and come real close to my stop. It could even hit the stop. It's always a risk you take. But the code does say it's going to go down. So whether it comes up a little bit and then goes back down, or whether it just goes down from here, the code doesn't say. But it does say that it is going to go down. So it will go down 20 ticks from this position here. Possibly more, 30, 40, 50 ticks. But it should go down 20. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Code says go down. I just took a short position. Now I'm just waiting. Probably going to take an hour or two, maybe. And I'll be out for 20 ticks. Piece of cake. Easy as can be. Sometimes I get out real quick, like in 5 minutes, who knows. But probably take a little while. So I'm going to go, I'll come back in just a little bit and update you on the trade and show you the outcome of the trade. But it should be good for 20 ticks. It's got like about an 80% chance of success, which is really high mathematically. You know, all the code trades have very high chances of success. That's why you see them work over and over again, because they're so high mathematically. And there's no other trading system in the world that can boast that. None. There's none that can even come close. There's a reason for it. This is all math. Theirs is all based upon something that doesn't really exist and therefore is totally irrelevant, totally meaningless, doesn't have any value. There's a reason why it doesn't work, because the premise is wrong. This is a system based upon the reality of what's really happening. So the premise itself isn't wrong. Therefore, the system works because it's based upon the right methodology of how this thing is really moving. So that's why it works over and over and over again. Why I'm able to show it over and over and over again because of that. Anyway, I'm going to get going. I'll be back in just a little while. Should be good for 20 ticks. I give it about an hour. So about 12:30, 1 o'clock, something like that. Hour and a half. Should make it. So I'll come back and show it to you. We getting pretty close. Getting there. What? That's 4, 7 ticks away. 6 ticks. It made it 2. It's almost there. It's only been what, about half hour? It hasn't been that long. It's gonna make it. Mathematics says it's gonna make it. The code says it's gonna make it. And so, you know, most likely it'll make it. But either way, I'm going for it, as you can see. I don't take the profit here. If it were to go all the way back up, I'd get out break even. But it should just continue to go down until it hits the exit. It may come really, really close and then go back up. It's possible. But either way, the way that I always play is to go for it. That way, when it does make it, I'm always hitting them. And if you want to make money, you got to hit them. So I'm still holding. It won't be too much longer, and I should be out of this trade for a quick 20 ticks. 4 ticks away. I'll be back. It's bouncing up right here, as you can see, right? Just wanted to show this to you. But watch, the code still says it's going to go down. So what's going to happen is it's going to stop going up like this, and it's going to go back down. It's going to break that low and go down and hit the exit. Watch. See, this is the power of knowing the code. Otherwise, what would happen is you would get out. You'd get out. You'd have your profit right here, and then it'd start going up right here, and you just wouldn't be able to take it. You'd get out. You'd only make a small amount of profit. Because out of fear. Or out of the unknown. You just don't know. But if you know the code, then you know it's going to go down. So you just hold it. You don't get caught. I mean, there's no substitute for that. None. You cannot substitute that. Watch. Watch that I'm right. And I know I'm right because of the math. Never, never, never go against or argue with the math. So you'll see, and it'll do it probably in about an hour or so, hour and a half maybe, and it'll be out. I'll be out for 20 ticks. That's all you gotta know. That's all you gotta do. So I'll come back and show it to you. Almost there now. 1 tick away. Almost made it. It was 2 ticks and just came 1 tick away. It'll make it. And how long did that take? Well, it hasn't gotten there yet, but let's assume it gets there relatively soon. That will have taken a little over an hour. Yeah, about an hour and a little over an hour. So not that long. I'll come back when it makes it. Okay, it just made it to the exit there. It's dropping out pretty good here. Like I said, you could have made, 20, 30, 40, even maybe 50. It's hard to say, but I was just going for a quick 20 because the math is high on 20. If I'd have gone for 30, the math goes down a little bit. 40, math goes down even more. 50, math goes down even more. It gets more and more, less mathematical that you could hit that. But anyway, that's how simple it is. You can see I knew what it was going to do before it did it and called it out, and then it did it. And the reason why is because it's a closed system. It's not a open system as people think it is. That's why the math is so high. Otherwise, it would be impossible to have the math very high if it was an open system. Only through a closed system can the math be so high. Anyway, that was just another example of a quick 20 ticks in the oil futures market. And it's very simple to do. This is the code system, which there is no substitute. I'm gonna get going. I'll be back. I'm back to trading again, so I'll be back from now on to trade and record it and show you how powerful the system is. You know, this wave, not too many ways to make money anymore. It seems like they're taking away all these different ways to make money, and there's just not that much left anymore. And or let's say, let's put it this way: they're dwindling up the opportunities to make money, and this is one good one. This is one good way right here to make money. I also am working on another one right now, another good way to make money. I'm going to offer that opportunity to people. That's going to be a real good one, but only for the people that really have money. It's a way to put your money into something that can actually make some money that you can rely on. But the people that need to make money, this is the way. If you need to make money, come up with a nice bundle of money to be able to do something with, this is the way to do it, in my opinion, using the code system. Anyway, I will be back with more videos and more trading. Happy trading out there, traders.